Next up, we have a bit of a change in pace, but I mentioned the word before, productization. It's a conversion of something like knowledge, time for money into a product that we can scale. And our next member has done exactly that. She previously took photos of products for people. Now she's converted that into a product that she can scale to the world. Please join me in a big round of applause for Tracy.
Hi guys, so my name's Tracy and I've been doing photography for over 15 years and I've recently transitioned into teaching product photography. Now, can I get a show of hands of who's bought something from an e-commerce store such as Etsy, Shopify or eBay? Yeah, as I expected, most of them. Now, when you're on those sites, you're scrolling and you're looking at the photos, yeah? And in fact, 90% of Etsy shoppers said the image quality was very important or extremely important to a purchase decision. So you can only imagine how important it is to the people selling on these sites. Now, the photo that you're looking at here was taken by one of my students before she started working with me. And this is her photo after she has finished one of my programs. Christine sells earrings on Etsy, and she's not a photographer. When she first started her business, she quickly realized the importance of photos and went looking for a professional photographer. However, she makes a new set of earrings each week, and she needs at least 10 photos of every product. So that would end up costing her over $10,000 a year, something which is just not feasible for a small business. Handstand product photos is a 12-week online group program designed specifically for business owners like Christine. And just 6 months after starting this program, Christine's sales have increased by 50%. The market for this product is massive and is only going to continue to grow in coming years. With $4 trillion in global e-commerce sales last year, and 4.3 million sellers on Etsy alone. My time here at JCU has encouraged me to provide workshops to both the local community and online. In the coming months, I plan to expand my team so that I can provide all of these workshops, courses, and programs. So if you have any business clients that you think would benefit from taking product photos or learning how to take product photos, please scan this QR code because I'd love to have a chat with you and I can look forward to your code. Thank you and any questions?
Judges.
Hi Tracy, it scares me when I see the word free up there. So how do you make money out of running free workshops?
That's fair. The free workshops are sort of a lead magnet to bring people into my paid programs.
Just to clarify, is it an online course that you're selling or is it an in-person one-on-one mentoring?
No, it's completely online, so anyone from across the world can join me. We do have weekly group calls as well, so they get that one-on-one time with me as well.
Can I ask a follow-up? Sorry. If I did a Google search on online courses with photography, I may come up with a whole lot. What sort of competitors do you have and why are you different?
Okay, so yeah, I have a few competitors out there, but there's not many actually in Australia. So in Cairns, there's only one competitor and they're not actually doing anything in product photography. They're more teaching people how to do video. So it's kind of a little bit different. Video and photography are very different things. Also, I have the experience in being in photography as well for 15 years.
I was triggered by the same things in terms of you're dealing with those smaller sellers, they're very cost sensitive. What is the cost of the course?
Good question. So it's $497 if they pay full. I do also have a payment plan of $197 for 3 months.
Okay, great. And I suppose similarly in terms of the competitive space, that also means you need to be conscious of what might follow you. So what have you got in terms of defensibility and preventing someone from taking the leads that you generate?
Yeah, so you're asking sort of about IP.
Yeah, in my
trying
to be cool way. Yeah.
So I do have everything is copyrighted at the moment. In terms of IP and trademarks and stuff, I need to speak to someone. So maybe you.
Tracy, that was fantastic. Thank you. I do share the same questions that my fellow judges have asked. So again, around the business model that you're supposed to be thinking about. There's free workshops at the beginning, fine, but you're talking about variety of more different courses and programs. Do you have a solid business model and income plan to basically scale your business?
Yes, so my plan at the moment is to start creating some more mini courses at a lower price point, and also bring on more members onto my team and then train them up so that they can provide these workshops and these courses as well.
So, sorry, a follow-up question on that. Therefore, you are the only one in your team at the moment?
Yes, no, I have a couple of business advisors as well. I also have a couple of interns with me from the University of Queensland, and they're here for a couple more weeks.
Thank you, Tracy.
Awesome.